some
C12
idea on that?
Bill C12 is a combine of many things, but there are some points about the immigration. They want to tighten the immigration. For example, if someone come into Canada 1 year ago, 12 months have passed, they can't apply for refugee claim. Their planning is it's not passed, okay? They're discussing about this. For example, students are applying for refugee. So lately, so someone came in 2020 and then trying to apply refugee claim now. So they have a doubt about really whether it's a valid case or not. That's why they're coming out with those kind of rules that if 12 months have passed, nobody can apply. Sorry, not nobody can apply. People can still apply, but they will transfer the file to PRRA instead of the IRB. PRRA is another department who work with the refugee, who analyze and evaluate the threat of the case, credibility of the case. It's kind of same thing, just one department to another department. Nothing much different. Anyway, those Bill C12 hasn't passed yet, in my opinion. Sure, this bill will pass because this bill has contradicted with other statutory law.
Mm,
So not sure this bill will, even though C12 passed, but the immigration this point, the 12-month bar, in my opinion, may not pass.